Honey,
Yes, baby.
I wish I was more like you.
Aww. It's so sweet of you to say that.
Yeah, you're such a hard worker, and you're so strong.
Uh-huh.
You have great characteristics.
Okay. And
I just wish I was more like you.
let's make that happen. There you go, honey. Wish granted.
Magaling kang kupal.